Him number 56, Piers Grange, very much from my home village, Bordlam, where he's a director of a trailer manufacturing company, PRG Trailers, in his Ford Escort. Row 6 is number 39, that's Jamie Cryer, the vehicle development manager, works for Toyota, hence he's driving a Ginetta, and alongside him we have number 38, Kevin Cryer, who's a production manager in the paper industry, also Ginetta mounted. So that's the first 6 rows of the grid, they're already out on their green flag lap.
They are indeed, yes, all making their way through. First 4 cars, the and then the shape of fire, then Isla Compton, Seat, and then the Ginetta. Different versions of Ford Escort. Very nice BMW as well. Mixture of cars. It's a very strong series, the CNC Head Sports and Saloon Championship. Always gets good entries. And what have we got? 29 cars on the grid. They're all through past us now, so they'll shortly be coming up to take the grid.
If it moves a bit, that'll stay focused on it. It's sort of like that, isn't it? In single shot, what that is for like portraits now. It's not going to move. You focus on it, and that's where your focus stays. So you've not got any play. But yours is in auto, which the camera switches between the two. Sometimes it doesn't do.
So Joe Spencer leads the field round in the dark Stuart Taylor Lopasaki. Ronnie Patterson, the red and white Caterham alongside him. Field forming up. Large field of, I think it's 27 cars.
Yeah, so well, you're limited to 5,000 a year. So that's been on information, focus mode, press OK.
So still coming out of Dearsley. The husband and wife team, Helen and Brian Allen, bringing up the rear with their 2 Ford Fiestas. And the Honda, that was 125, wasn't it, for the extra runner. So, 5-second board has been shown. And away they go. And it is Joe Spencer who gets the best start, with Ronnie Patterson, the next man through 15, Nick Cresswell, ahead of number 6, David Harvey, and the rest of the field pile into Old Hall Corner. Do they all safely get round Old Hall Corner? A real assortment of cars in the CNC Sports Saloon, and they are all safely through down the avenue towards you for the first time in this 20 minutes plus 1 lap race.
Yeah, a real mixture of cars, but it's the 4. Ouch.
Ouch, was that you or me?
No, not me, I don't think.
That's clearly is.
The sort of the Caterham shaped cars, the Lopasakis and the Caterhams that come down over Hilltop first, and it looks like it's Joe Spencer who will be leading into the Izzy chicane for the first time, and through they come, and it's Joe Spencer from
the grid down. So we look up towards Lodge Corner, we look under the bridge, and Joe Spencer then comes through ahead of Ronnie Patterson. Long gap before we have third place man. Number 6, David Harvey, Nick Cresswell in 4th place then. It is number 13, Paul Dobson with the Mazda. 27, Gary Wardle with the Ginetta. and the rest of the field streamed through 125 there, working his way well up through the field. And that's one to watch. He started at the back of the grid as a reserve, so Steve Rolls, so just keep your eye on him. He's already up into 16th place from 27th.
Good move through for Steve Rolls then, and meantime the leader's coming down into the chicane, and it's still Joe Spencer who leads this time. Has he made up any more places? Here he comes, and he's made up 2 more places. He's in 15th place. And we have the yellow and red flag out here on hole 4. The 30 around here. Well, rather similar to 33, that's he was in 10th place. Meantime, leaders have been through, no change in the top 6. Either Cox in 7th, where our 125 is back to the that is up to 14th now. Right, well, it's decided that Joe Spencer's getting away too soon, because he's now within the fastest lap, a 1:27.671, exactly 2 seconds behind Joe Spencer in the lead. So, still in 3rd place. We have number 6, David Harvey, and he's 8 seconds further down the track. Behind him, number 15, Nick Creswell with his pace. We've got the leader back with us. Come down quickly, doesn't he? He does. Even into the chicane before Joe Spencer is going over top of Clay Hill, so really opened it up, but I think that's partly because Roddy Patterson was lost ground. David Harvey. So I suspect Roddy
he's had a moment.
He's had a moment up at Ireland, I think.
Yeah, he was 8 seconds in front of David Harvey. There's a lot of work to do to get back on terms with Joe Spencer. Gary Wardle, so the Saloon coming up Clay Hill is up into 6th place, and the Ginetta of Gary Wardle, the G50, goes down into 7th place. Going through there, that's the Ford Fiesta. 2nd and 3rd together, Harvey and Patterson. Now, with 0.74 direct, Roddy Patterson's going to get past. I think Harvey fairly quick, David Harvey quite quick. Good battle between number 44, Peter Davis, and 27, that's Gary Wardle. See if Steve Rose has made up any more places for this 14th place. Quite a bit of work to do, actually.
Isla Cox in 6th, 44 Peter Davis up to 7th, and 27 Gary Ward down to 8th.
Ronnie Patterson now back up into second place at the expense of he held it, but he is some 17.5 seconds behind Joe Spencer. Joe Spencer's last lap was on 29.5. Ronnie Patterson as they start the lap, it's going to be harder for them to get up closer. Kevin Cryer and number 73 is my third. Additional runner there, Steve Rose.
So the order is now Joe Spencer, number 1 in the lead, 51, Rodney Patterson in second place, third, 15, Nick Cresswell, fourth, number 6, David Harding, fifth place, and in sixth place is Isla Cox, number 55, in the Seat Leon.
And fifth place man, Paul Doctor, just gone past the clear lead. The gap is 17.8 seconds between first. Joe Spencer about to lap Steve Rose in the Honda.
Does that everybody up to 13th place, up to 12th place.
So fairly settled at the moment. it. So I've got Class S, haven't we? David Bird. Leaders have gone through, and slapped there by David Harvey's got him a little bit closer to that third place man, Mick Cresswell. Waiting for Steve Rolls to come through, see if he's got any closer to number 38, Kevin Pryor.
Just looking at that now as they come down over Hilltop, the right side.
457 of a second last time round.
0.1 now, bracket to move to the D20 connector, and they go up Clay Hill. Quick moment there for Jason Philipper on the prelude. Bit of sideways moment in the
Lap 10, 5 minutes plus 1 lap remaining. There's the 38, 125 battle in battle 0.46, 0.007 of a second on that last lap. Times have come down now because a lot of lap ring.
I think we've lost second place man, Ronnie Patterson. We didn't.
Yeah, he's not come past us either. Spotted that. Yes, he is missing on the screen. No sign of him coming through. No sign of any flight in the car. Warren Bridge. No. Not just yet. So, Joe Spencer goes through well and truly in the lead. New second place man will be Nick Cresswell. Long way down the track. Cresswell goes through in second place, 20 seconds down. Man number 6, David Harvey, then number 13, Paul Dobson, having a hit run at the moment, leading his class. And the Cox not do anything about.
lap. What sort of lap times is Joe doing? Because he's still pressing on.
Yeah, 1:28, a quick one that time. Get an extra lap in, get it done.
Just hoping to put up fuel in.
Yeah.
Still joint. The hands at the moment of Nick Cresswell in the caterer from David Harvey. David Harvey not being dropped. They can't seem to get on terms to make a challenge.
Joe Spencer goes through. 27 seconds remaining when he gets across the line. So this is the penultimate lap, I reckon. Did a 1:27.8. Now the ball. Not too far apart. 0.7 of a second. That's the second and third place back. Pushing on in third place. Come through in fourth place. It's going to be a 15-lap race.
Well, such is the pace of the leader, Joe Spencer, that he's lapped everybody up to 7th place now, which is the 27 Gary Wardle Ginetta G50. And here comes the second place lap. And Nick Cresswell at the caterer seems to have a little more power as they go up the hill, but conversely David Harvey perhaps a little bit quicker through the corners.
Into the pits. That's going to be the Jamie drive.
Lapped the Ginetta, so lapped everybody up to 6th place. Oh, I'm afraid the 2nd place battle has been split up by an unfortunate back marker incident. The Fiesta trying to get out of the way and got out of the way of the first incident. So I'm afraid you'll find that Nick Cresswell and David Harvey get up to you for 2nd and 3rd places. There's probably about 3 or 4
checkered flag has gone out for Joe Spencer. Ginetta, I think. So, yeah, so Nick Cresswell finishes in 2nd place, as you said. A little way back now, in 3rd place is David Harvey. Well, not, I think, a nice 4th place there. Finish, no, Steve Roll's finished, but he's been lapped. Davis finishes, and Cox comes through in 6th place.
Lindsay on the front row, so yes.
Yeah.
Today they're dropping the grids off to me with the course car.